Welcome to Bootair Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to set up your Bootair account. For best experience, please watch in full screen and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, open your Play Store to download the app. Then, launch the app to start. You may sign up using your email for free. Fill in the required details. Once done, click Sign Up. Next, open your email to retrieve the verification code. Copy the verification code and paste it in the app. Now, we will move on to the next step. Insert your store name. Create a store URL, best suit for your shop brand. Next, choose your region or country and the right currency for your store. Once this is done, you have completed the sign-up process. Next, we will move to setting up or changing the language of the app. In your app, there is the three dots on the bottom right corner. Click on that and it will show the settings of the app. Scroll down and you will see the language settings. There are many languages to choose from. Choose the one you want. Note that this is only the language for the app and not your store. Now, you can manage your store in the language that you are familiar with. With that, your store account is now set. Download Bootair now from Google Play Store or App Store.